Botswana has its fair share of troubles, but it's also considered one of the safest nations in Africa. It's safe, it's gorgeous, and they have rhinos there. Know before you go. 1. Don't skimp on the mosquito repellent. Malaria is a thing in Botswana, so you're definitely going to want to have some mosquito repellent. You can also lower your risk of catching malaria by visiting during the winter months. 2. Don't skip the Okavango Delta. This lush natural reserve is like the opening 10 minutes of The Lion King. You can sail over the waters and camp out next to the river itself, always surrounded by some of Africa's most majestic wildlife. 3. Don't speed through Maun. On the western side of the city are a series of traditional African villages that are home to a welcoming group of people who've maintained a centuries-old culture. The rest of the city is decidedly modern and welcoming to travellers. 4. Don't get careless around the wildlife. Most tour guides will know how to keep overly curious tourists in line. That said, if you do happen to slip past a watchful eye, just remember that you're approaching a wild animal. 5. Don't forget the Kalahari. Botswana is also home to South Africa's most famous desert, the jaw-dropping Kalahari. The area is both beautiful and freaking massive, and it's well worth exploring. 6. Don't miss Kama Rhino Sanctuary. If you're interested in taking your family on a safari, then you should absolutely spend an evening at the Kama Rhino Sanctuary, especially for those who love curious visitors. Where do you want to know what not to do in next? Comment below.